A lot of new VTubers that are starting out don't really have a high-spec PC, and sometimes gaming with a PC that doesn't have really the best specs can cause a hindrance on your streams. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to help out with that performance. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and help me reach my goal of 100,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of 2026. My first tip is launching VTube Studio, VBridger, and VC Face without Steam. To accomplish this, all we gotta do is have our Steam open, make sure we're in the Library tab, right-click on our application of choice, go down to Properties, go to Installed Files, click on Browse. Then we can right-click on Start Without Steam, click on Show More Options, Send to, Great shortcut for the desktop. By doing this and not having Steam open, we could actually save 5% of our computer resources, CPU and RAM. And when we're ready to go, we just want to double click on those icons that we just made on our desktop and wham, bam, you're loading without Steam. My next tip is lowering your FPS rate on your VTube Studio, VC Face, or other 3D VTubing application. With our application of choice open, we're just going to go to the settings really quick, click on the camera icon. We are going to scroll down just probably a little bit halfway, quality and effects. We are going to change the application from 60 FPS to 30, and then we're going to lower the resolution from 1920 by 1080 to something like 720p. By doing that, we actually use less video card resources, leaving more headroom for your video games. My next tip is to change some of your OBS settings. With our OBS open, all we want to do is hit the little settings button, go down to video, and then output scaled resolution. We want to change that down to 720p, and then common FPS value down to 30 FPS. Many of us think that we must have the absolute highest resolution possible, and that's really not the case. A lot of viewers will look right past that and would honestly rather have a better viewing experience than a laggy one. And by changing that resolution, depending on the codec you're using, you can lower your CPU usage 5 to even 10%, lowering your game's FPS. A lot of us think that we need to have the absolute maximum FPS when we're playing video games, and maybe on a professional level that is definitely true. But as brand new entry-level VTubers, just cap that FPS to maybe 60 FPS and that will actually open up a lot of headroom on your video card. Also lowering the in-game settings of quality, resolution, all that can really make a big difference, especially if you're struggling with a lower end video card. Of course, everything I've said in this video will vary from person to person, since not all of us have the same PC. Let me know in the comments down below some of your tips and suggestions that we can give to brand new VTubers that really don't have the high-end specs. Again, I'm your VTuber Senpai. I stream here on YouTube every Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I try to upload here every Wednesday at 9 a.m. PST. So come on by, say hi, and well, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.